What are y'all doing? I'm bald. No funny, and to clear the air, because y'all think it was a BB gun, there's a difference between, there's 3 guns. A real gun, a BB gun, and a pellet gun. I don't know if it was a BB gun that Tommie used because the bullets were stuck inside of Tinka's skin and Rolly's skin. A BB gun don't get stuck in your fucking skin. Those were metal pellets. She shot a pellet gun. This bitch could have shot somebody's fucking eye out. It was metal. That's just the same as a bullet. What the fuck? Bitch. Don't shoot me. But no funny shit. Like, that shit was actually insane. It was not a motherfucking BB gun. That was a pellet gun. The bullets were stuck in the bitch skin. I said, oh my God. At first I said call the police. I was like, these bitches is dead. No, let me tell y'all something. Oh my God, I need this episode to air. Like, I don't need... Y'all should have seen the way Tinka was... Oh my God, I'm gonna just shut up. I'm just letting you know, it wasn't a BB gun. It was pellets. One thing we're gonna clarify is that I will tell the T... Oh, Galaxy! Sorry, girl. Galaxy! Ooh, give me... Hate speech. Okay, I'm done. I'm not talking no more. Oh no, they trying to ban me. They trying to ban me. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all gonna get me fucking banned. What the fuck? Give me to 100K likes. Why the freak are we at 38? I'm done. I'm not talking till I get to... Oh, hell no. Let me see. You know they don't be feeding us. Is that a BLT?
Nah, it's banana peppers, honey turkey, bacon, lettuce, tomato.
That's a BLT?
Yeah.
You know they don't be feeding me these. Not a few for sure though. Oh, we had 100K like.
Banana peppers.
I love banana peppers. 100K. Alright. Now we can start talking again. Howdy, y'all. Now we can talk again. Cause who the fuck? Y'all thought I was just about to be telling the tea without that mama, y'all? Stay the fuck up. Howdy, y'all. So y'all wanna know the tea? Google them over here. If you didn't catch that, you didn't catch that. Galaxy! Ah! And y'all put the cap because y'all know I'm a cap ass bitch and I don't give a fuck. I don't get paid to tell y'all the truth. I don't get paid to tell the truth. I get paid to be messy, bitch. I get paid to be a liar. Alright, I'm done playing with y'all. If you caught it, you caught it. If you did. Okay, why do I play so fucking much? Yo, I'm trying to be serious, but there's nothing serious about this fucking life. There's nothing serious about this world. There's nothing serious about baddies. Maybe I am a little bipolar. But I'm just waiting so I can yell in the closet with Rula. Like, that's all I've been waiting for. Anywho. Okay, what's the tea? What's the tea? We all want to know the tea. tea. No, first of all, Tommie came in, I ain't gonna lie, she was looking mad cute. Love the outfit, I ain't gonna lie, I took a picture on the low so I could put it in Google Photos so I could go order it. She doesn't even know, I ordered like 3. She put me on. But anywho, back to what I was saying. When Tommie got there, y'all, she wasn't even on that. Like, she was trying to talk to these hoes. She was trying to talk. These bitches was not letting that bitch talk.